Okay, so when you run out of bobbin, what will happen while you're sewing, you just need to make sure that you can rewind your bobbin. So on this Husqvarna, you're going to take your thread and you're going to go back around this metal plate here, just like we did when we rethreaded the machine. But this time you're going to go underneath this little knob. This gives you the tension you need so that when you're winding your bobbin, it doesn't get loose and it doesn't make your bobbin wind weird. So on this, you're going to see that there is the H, and then there's a little hole right here. This is where I'm going to stick my thread up and through. I like to do this to make sure that I can give it a little grab. And then I wind it around just a few times, just so I know that I've got thread on there already. You're then going to put your bobbin on here, and then you're going to click this to the right. And when you do that, the screen's going to change and it's going to say bobbin winding on. So now what you're going to do, I like to just hold on to this so I have some tension, but we do want to put it through these little fork looking things here. This is going to hold on to it so it's not flipping around. But since I have a little bit of excess here, I like to just hold on to it until I know I have my bobbin going the way I want it. You're going to put a little bit of pressure on your presser foot. And I do this just to make sure I've got some tightness now, to make sure that I don't have my string bobbin all over the place. You can go ahead and snip this down now that I've got my string on there good. And as easy as just pressing the presser foot and letting the machine do its thing. Right, and then you can see that over here on the side there is a little white thing here, and if you look closely as you're winding this, the thread gets closer and closer to this. So once your bobbin is actually full, it'll start rubbing against this, so you know it's time to stop winding up your bobbin. And then you simply take the thread off, pull it over here to this little thread cutter and pull, and now your thread is cut. Move your bobbin back to the left. Your screen has changed back to your sewing settings. Your bobbin is completely full and you just pull straight up and you're all set.